my name's Gordon De Silva, and today I'm here with Arthur McCaffrey of Website Division. Hi Arthur, how are you doing today?
I'm very well, Gordon.
I believe business is going really well.
Yeah, it is.
So there is something about what you offer that makes a difference. I know that because I'm a client, but tell me a little bit in your own words, what do you think it is about your business that makes you so successful?
I think we offer a full package. Everything to do with the website, not just the design, the graphics, and then leave people to get on with it, really. We look after the client throughout. We believe a website never finishes, it never comes to an end. There's always something new to add to it.
Now I know from previous experience, because I've had websites for many years, often is the case that I have a website developer, they take my ideas, they make it look nice, what I thought was look nice, and they put it up and they charge me £1,000, and then that would be the end of it. A year or two or three later, I'd be wondering why I'm not getting business from the website, and then I'd find another website developer because the other guy's either gone off somewhere or whatever, right? But when I came to you, it's completely different. Tell me a little bit about that approach.
Well, we believe that content is the key thing on a website. The graphics are important and the look of the website, but at the end of the day, the content is the most important thing. And there are various ways to keep that up to date. The search engines love sites that change. They love the new content coming on all the time. And using facilities like Twitter, YouTube, and lots of the other facilities out there, we can add content and keep your site alive and changing on a regular basis.
Now, you did explain it to me, but just for the purpose of this tape, just explain to me why it's so important to have a site changing. Why is that so important?
Well, Google will look at your site, and if it sees that it hasn't changed in the last 6 months, say, it's going to move on. It won't even stop to look at your site. The only way you can get Google to stop, look, read, and come back frequently is to change the content. So if you're bringing products out every week, you're bringing new stories, case studies, portfolio pictures, whatever it is that your service is, or your product, then Google will pick up on that. But you do need to put it on your website on a regular basis.
I know from previous experience when I had a new product to offer or a new idea to offer clients, I would have to try to save them up because every time I put a change on, the charges would start coming in. And so it's like you think, well, I do want to tell clients about this, but I don't know whether it's worth £150 just to make this one small change.
Yeah.
And so it would be actually against my business to put stuff on the web, and I'd have to. But yours is different. I can actually do it instantly.
Yeah, we provide a thing called content management, which allows you to change the website whenever you want. You can change it 100 times a day if you wish.
Now, I know that's true because I have actually changed 100 times a day. But one of the things that I really like, and I think you mentioned it a bit earlier on, is Twitter. Now, you set it up somehow, I don't know how you did it, but I can make a tweet, promote a video or something that I'm doing on my site, and immediately, or within an hour or so, it's on my website.
That's right, yeah. We've written a little piece of software that actually takes the Twitter feeds and puts them directly on your page as text. A lot of other little tools are available out there, but they only provide a link back to Twitter. What we do is extract the information and make it part of your website, so that when the search engines come, they're reading that text on your page.
Right, and that's what I was coming to. And why is that important?
Because that will give you fresh content. So all you have to do is to tweet once a day or once every 2 or 3 days, and that will immediately update the content on your site.
Now that I've noticed, and it is remarkably simple to do, as well as if I wanted to add a page, I was able to add a page, and that's quite remarkable. Now, tell me a little bit about why you do this, but no one else I know does this. What is it about you that in your thinking, it seems to me, that makes you different in your approach?
Well, we come from a quite highly technical background. We do have graphics and all the nice things you'd expect on a site, but we come from an engineering point of view, and we can go right down to the machine itself. We own all our own infrastructure, and that does have a massive benefit. When we need to change something, we can. We don't have to ask a third party.
Now, that, it seems to me, is important, because remember, in the old days when I had various people doing various parts of it, I'd call somebody up and say, my email's not working, they'd push me to someone else, and they'd say, oh no, it's not me, it's the hardware, and then somebody else would put me to someone else. With you, I never have that issue, because you're hosting a whole lot,
That's right.
And the buck stops with you. Really.
It does, yes.
And one of the things I think you don't sell as well as you could is you back up the site.
Yeah.
I remember the other day I phoned you up and made a mistake on the site, and I sort of had a panic because I wiped out something that I thought was quite critical. And you said, "Oh, it's no problem, it's backed up," and you put it back on for me. Now, not everyone does that. Is that true?
No, that is very, very true. That's one of the key services that we do offer. We back up every website every night for 30 days.
Now that's sort of business thinking. You're not thinking. It doesn't become easier from your point of view. Actually, you're making it harder from your point of view. But clearly, you're looking from the client's point of view, right? Now that way of doing business is different.